Hello and welcome to our new class, ABBYY FlexiCapture. So today we'll be learning about how to get some static text out of an invoice. So as you guys can see that I have a resume or a curriculum vitae with me, and I need to extract the details out of it. And in this video we'll be learning about getting the static text. So for that we'll be clicking on this create element, this button, and let me show you how does it look if nothing is clicked. So let me just click it like this. So if you see, nothing is getting highlighted, but as soon as I click here and by word, you can see things are getting highlighted. So now it depends on me whether I want to have a text as separate words or as a line. So, like in this case, I just want to have as a proper line. So I will click here, I will double click here, and this comes out to be a static text. I will click OK. Now it's asked me for a particular name. So let me just write it applicant name. And it says it's optional element or required. For me it's optional. So okay, so let's just remove the space. Now here you can see the text here is written exactly like this. Now there's nothing that need to do. Click on OK, and you see element is being generated and is inside search elements column. So let's just test it out. Right click over it. You will get test element. You can see a green dot here against an applicant name. Okay. Now let's again do the same thing for, let's say I just need like this test out of it. I'll click here. I go to the desired location, anything like professional experience or anything, like just double click here, click on static text, open it, and then you have desired position. By default written here, you can change it to your liking, and here's the desired position, static text here. Okay, so here I would like to know, show you guys that there are some things that you can tweak. So if you want the exactly same thing to be written. So let's suppose the desired position word is written multiple times and you want this as it is, like with a capital D and a small p, then in that case you have to click on match case, otherwise it's not a problem. Click on apply and OK. So let's just test it out. Right click here, click on test element, and it's able to find it. Okay. So this is how we work with the static text. So this can be used to find out any text that you need. Thanks.